Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the iPhone XR. Now you can pick this up from Apple. I'll throw the link up in the description. First things first, the price. Now this phone comes in 3 different versions. You got 64 gigs, that's going to run you $750. You got 128 gigs, that's going to run you $800. And you got the big boy, 256 gigs, that's going to run you $900. Now the phone comes in 6 different colors. You got white, black, blue, yellow, coral, and red. Now let's get into the specs. Now I know everybody wants to know what's the difference between the iPhone XS and the iPhone XR. So let's go spec for spec. First things first, display. Now with your iPhone XS, you got a 5.8-inch AMOLED panel with a resolution of 1125 by 2436. Now that's 458 for the PPI Patrol. With your iPhone XR, you got a 6.1-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 828 by 1792. Now that's 326 for the PPI Savages. So fresh out of the gate, the iPhone XS has a better display. Now the iPhone XS is IP68 dust and water resistant. iPhone XR IP67 dust and water resistant. So both phones will survive a drop in the pool. Now both of them have the A12 Bionic Supersonic Uranium Titanium chip, but with the XS you got 4 gigs of RAM. With the XR you got 3 gigs of RAM. Now for your XS, on the rear you got a dual 12 megapixel camera setup. On your XR you got a single 12 megapixel camera setup. Now don't let the single camera fool you. Both phones take portrait mode shots, and if you've seen the Google Pixel XL, that phone proves that you don't need 2 cameras to take some dope portrait mode shots. Now in the front, both of them have a 7 megapixel front facing camera. Both of them have dual speakers. Now here's the major difference. On your XS, you got a 2,658 milliamp battery. On your XR, you got a 2,942 milliamp battery. So theoretically, you should get better battery life on the XR. All right, so let's pop this open and see what it is. Shout out to White Shoes back in the building. iPhone XR. Now I went with the red, of course, 64 gigs. See what it is. What up, Shoes? Here we go. New iPhone alert. Classic Apple presentation. Nice clean white box. Giggity. Here it is. Inside, designed by Apple, California. Product red. Shoes is trolling. Inside, now you got your Apple Troll stickers, SIM ejection tool, hello, product red card. All of this stuff is known as the usual books and shit. Plug them, file them to the side. Here's your device. Here we go. Rah. Woo. Now this is my first time actually seeing this. I'm resting it right on the Shoe's head. This phone looks and feels beautiful. All right, I got to keep it real. Now let me show you real quick. Here's my product red iPhone 8 Plus. Same glass back design. Same heavyweight premium feel to this. Oh, I'm loving it. All right, let's keep it moving. Next up, you got your Apple headphones. Let's just make sure. Lightning adapter status. Here's your fast charging brick. Shoes taking a nap, doing some yoga. And here's your lightning your lightning cable. Lightning cable. Now one thing's missing, no dongle. All right, so everything on deck except for the dongle. Now for the phone itself, let's power this up and check out that notch. Okay, there's your Apple logo. Shoes. Shoes, calm down. All right, so we'll wait for this to boot up a little bit. Let's get a wipe down in the meantime. Let's do a little size comparison while this is loading up. Now here's your iPhone XS. And here's the XR. XR is a little bit taller. Just a tad bit bigger. Giggity. Now here's your iPhone XS Max. Here's your iPhone XR. Let's see. Okay, so the XS Max is a little bit taller. And I want to say a teeny bit wider. But not much. And just for size comparison, here's your iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone XR. Let's see. A little bit taller for the 8 Plus. But you should have actually a bigger display because you got no home button. There goes that notch. All right, shout out to the notch game. It is what it is. All right, so let me pause the video. I'll set everything up, and then we'll breeze through the OS. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I just put my information in the phone. I've been playing around with it for a few minutes, and I got to be honest with y'all. So far, fresh out of the box, I'm impressed. Now, this is one of those times that I might have to actually eat my own words, because if y'all remember my last live stream, I was roasting this phone. I was calling it the peasant phone. I was saying the XR, the R stands for regular degular. But honestly, after playing around with it for a few minutes, performance-wise, now keep in mind, this is just my initial impressions. Performance-wise, I can't feel the difference between the XR and the XS. Now, they do have the same chipset, so you kind of expect that. But here's the thing. I thought this phone, the display was going to be garbage. I thought the build quality was going to be trash. I thought it was just going to be a cheap iPhone. I got to eat my words, though. First things first, build quality. This is my first time seeing this phone and holding it in hand. Same exact build quality as the XS, XS, and the iPhone 8 Plus with that beautiful glass back design. Has that premium feel to it. Feels so good in the hands. Ladies, you know the procedures. Now, here's the thing. Fallback shoes. I didn't even know this phone had wireless charge. Check this out. Wireless charge on deck. Beautiful. Now, check this out. Let's do a little comparison with the display. Now, you do got your facial unlock. Works just like any iPhone face unlock. Now, I got this set to max brightness just so we could get a little comparison. Putting them side by side. One is AMOLED, one is IPS LCD. On paper, you would think, especially with 326 PPIs versus 400 and some change, you would think that it's a noticeable difference, but you can barely tell. Now, I'm sitting right in front of these phones. You really can't tell. They look identical. Now, that's on max brightness. All right, so I'm impressed with the build quality, and I'm impressed with the display. $750 for 64 gigs. So far, I'm not complaining. All right, so let's go through some of the basic stuff. Let's take it over to the camera real quick. Let's do a little point and shoot. Let's see if we can get a portrait mode. Matter of fact, we'll do a regular shot. Yo, Shoes, check this out. Shoes. All right, try to get Shoes to look over. She ain't really having it. Pull this up. Check this out. Beautiful picture. Now let's take the same picture with the iPhone 10, XS. Shoes. I got it just now. Let's see if we can notice any difference. What do y'all think? Now I'm going to do some real camera tests. We'll test the portrait mode and see if that single lens is as good as the Pixel single lens. But fresh out of the straight point and shoot status, no complaints. Now, let's take it over to the speakers. Both of these phones have dual speakers. So let's do a little speaker test. All right, so let's pull up Bike Life on the XS. Now, y'all know the iPhone makes my favorite speakers. These sound incredible. Now we'll pull up the same video on the XR. So far, they sound identical. All right, so it's official. You got the same banging dual speakers. Now let's check the display. All right, so I got some drone footage queued up on both phones. Let's play them side by side, and we'll see if we can see any difference between the LCD and the AMOLED panel. What y'all think? iPhone XS, XR. Now I'm looking at these. Yeah, this one has a little bit more clarity, but not by much. All right, so let's see if we notice any difference in performance. Keep in mind, the iPhone XS has 1 extra gig of RAM. Here we go. Let's open up Google. Apple.com. Okay, that looks pretty even. And you got to keep in mind that I'm also downloading a whole bunch of apps in the background at the same time. Now, when I do the full review, we'll really put it to the test. But other than that, everything else works exactly like your iPhone works. Anyway, fresh out of the box, I love the build quality. I got to say I'm impressed. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. And if there's anything specific y'all want me to cover when I do the full review, hit me up and let me know. But y'all already know how I do. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat, boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.